Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this air duster. Yeah, I picked it up somewhere. This one is the Addcolor AD-38. So this is the box. It has a lot of tools in it. Made in China. It's written wrong. So this is the address. This is the system. So we are going to unbox this now. But therefore I have to have a cutting tool. I also want to tell you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe and we randomly pick people, so don't forget to subscribe. This is in the box, a manual. It's stuck with the system, I think. So I take it out. Voila, that's this. That's this one. I think I first have to charge it. Here you see USB-C. Then we have some tools here in it. USB cable. Some mounting tools like this. Or like this. Voila. And then here, yeah, that's all kind of nozzles. Huh? So these are smaller nozzles. You see? There are all kinds of nozzle on it. Oh, that's for reverse, to reverse it. So you can also reverse it, something like that. So these are all the pieces. So yeah, we will make a review over it a little bit later. After we unboxed it, we go to make a review over it. But I think we first have to charge it. Yes, that's it. So here you see it. It works quite good. This is what is in the box. So I hope you like my video. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button. So if you like this, we can show you more of these content. So please hit the like button. And then yeah, don't forget to subscribe, because of the free nice prizes. You only have to subscribe and you will get notified when you win something. I hope you like this video. Please watch my other videos also. When I have something with dust, I will create this video also. So I will yeah, make some dust movies with it, but currently I do not have anything to use it on, but I will go to use it in the future, of course. So anyway, I see you later, and bye bye.